The role of roleplay and how it enhances pleasure. 1. Understanding roleplay, how imaginative scenarios enhance intimacy and connection in relationships. Roleplay is an immersive and intentional activity that enables couples to take on new personas or engage in imaginative scenarios to bring their fantasies to life. Whether acting out characters from movies, stepping into unconventional roles, or simply creating new dynamics, roleplay offers couples a playful yet deeply meaningful way to connect. It is far more than a means of sexual expression. Roleplay can open new channels for emotional bonding and intimacy by allowing each partner to explore facets of their personality in a safe, consensual setting. Roleplay's allure lies in its unique ability to transform familiar relationship dynamics, allowing partners to see each other in a fresh light and forge a deeper connection. Engaging in these shared experiences fosters trust, understanding, and curiosity, turning roleplay into a mutual journey of discovery. Enhancing pleasure through roleplay. Planning and setting expectations. Before diving into roleplay, it's essential to have a conversation about boundaries and comfort levels. Agreeing on safe words and limits ensures that both partners feel safe and respected throughout the experience. Choosing roles and scenarios. Selecting roles that appeal to both partners is key. By brainstorming scenarios together, you can ensure that the experience is enjoyable for everyone. It's important to choose roles that align with personal fantasies but also respect each partner's comfort zones. The importance of costumes and props. Costumes and props play a huge part in immersing yourself in the role. Whether it's a nurse's outfit or a superhero cape, dressing the part makes the experience feel more real and exciting. Many people find roleplay materials through online stores or specialty shops. Using scripts and dialogue. Incorporating playful or seductive conversations enhances the roleplay experience. While some couples enjoy spontaneous roleplay, others prefer preparing a script or scenario ahead of time to ensure both partners are on the same page. Setting the atmosphere. The environment is crucial for roleplay. Whether it's low lighting, soft music, or scented candles, creating the right atmosphere helps set the tone. You can experiment with different locations, from the bedroom to themed places, to add an extra layer of excitement. The benefits of roleplay on sexual and psychological health. Boosting self-confidence and self-expression. Roleplay allows people to explore sides of themselves they may not normally express. Taking on different roles can boost self-esteem and help individuals feel more comfortable with their sexual identity. Reducing stress and anxiety. Roleplay provides an escape from daily stress. Engaging in playful, immersive scenarios allows partners to relax and unwind, helping them forget about everyday pressures. Increasing sexual satisfaction and libido. The variety and novelty that come with roleplay are known to reignite sexual desire, especially in long-term relationships. Trying new scenarios can boost overall sexual satisfaction and keep desire alive. Overcoming common roleplay challenges. Easing shyness or embarrassment. It's normal to feel awkward at first, especially if you're new to roleplay. Easing into the experience with humor or less intense scenarios can help build confidence. As you grow more comfortable, you can gradually introduce more complex or adventurous themes. Handling different fantasies. Not all partners may have the same fantasies, and that's okay. Finding a compromise where both partners feel engaged is essential. Exploring new themes together can also introduce fresh dynamics that both might enjoy. Respecting boundaries and consent. Clear discussions about boundaries are critical. Both partners should feel comfortable, and if one starts to feel uneasy mid-scenario, it's important to pause or stop. Consent must be ongoing, and both partners should feel safe at all times. Exploring roleplay through technology. Sexting and phone roleplay. For long-distance couples or those seeking variety, roleplay can extend to sexting or phone calls. These remote forms of roleplay allow partners to stay connected and explore fantasies even when apart. Online roleplay communities. There are many online resources where people can find roleplay scenarios, costumes, and tips. From forums to stores, these platforms provide endless inspiration for enhancing roleplay experiences. Virtual and augmented reality roleplay. With the rise of VR and AR, roleplay is becoming even more immersive. Virtual worlds allow partners to explore fantasies in entirely new ways, enhancing pleasure through cutting-edge technology. Power dynamics. Scenarios involving power dynamics like boss-employee or teacher-student often create a compelling contrast between authority and submission, allowing partners to safely explore trust, control, and vulnerability. Examples of power dynamic scenarios: boss and employee. One partner plays a high-powered executive while the other is a subordinate navigating a demanding work environment. To set the scene, dress in business attire. Arrange a meeting at a desk and use a playful tone of command and compliance. Teacher and student. The teacher is instructing the student on a subject, with added stakes of evaluation or praise. Sitting at a desk or reading from a textbook can add authenticity. Police officer and civilian, one partner plays the role of an officer pulling someone over for a violation. Using props like a fake badge or adding gentle questioning adds to the thrill. Exploring types of role-play scenarios in relationships, an in-depth look. Role-play in relationships opens the door to a world of possibilities, enabling couples to explore new dynamics, embody different personas, and break free from the routines of daily life. By adopting various roles and scenarios, couples can engage in fantasies that enrich their connection, deepen their intimacy, and encourage mutual exploration. Role-play and relationship benefits, strengthening bonds and enhancing intimacy. Role-play in relationships is often seen as an adventurous way to add excitement, but its benefits go much deeper than fleeting moments of pleasure. This practice can have a profound and lasting impact on various facets of a relationship, strengthening emotional and physical connections and fostering essential communication skills. Techniques for enhancing pleasure through roleplay, building an immersive and fulfilling experience. Roleplay can offer couples an exciting way to explore their relationship, but creating a truly fulfilling experience requires thoughtfulness, planning, and a mutual understanding of each other's desires. To maximize enjoyment and connection, it's essential to approach roleplay with open communication, creativity, and a willingness to try new things together. Overcoming roleplay challenges, building comfort, trust, and enjoyment in roleplaying. Roleplay can be an exciting way to strengthen intimacy and explore new dynamics within a relationship, but for many, the concept may initially feel awkward or intimidating. Successfully integrating roleplay into a relationship often requires overcoming challenges such as shyness, differing desires, and maintaining open communication around consent and safety. Health and psychological benefits of roleplay, enhancing well-being, self-expression, and connection. Roleplay is commonly seen as a tool for enhancing intimacy and pleasure, but its benefits reach far beyond momentary enjoyment, impacting mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. By encouraging self-expression, reducing stress, and improving communication, roleplay offers a unique way to nurture both individual and relational health. Ethical and safety considerations in roleplay, a guide to respectful and responsible exploration. Roleplay is a powerful way to explore fantasies, deepen intimacy, and add excitement to a relationship. However, due to its immersive nature and potential to touch on personal sensitivities, roleplay requires a strong foundation of trust, consent, and mutual respect. Exploring roleplay through technology, enhancing intimacy in the digital age. In our increasingly digital world, technology offers new possibilities for couples to explore and enhance their roleplay experiences. From sexting to virtual reality, VR, these tools make it easier than ever for partners to maintain intimacy and keep the excitement alive, even when distance or everyday life limits physical interactions. Power of roleplay in relationships, fostering lasting connection and intimacy. Roleplay holds a unique place in relationships, serving as a bridge between imagination and intimacy that allows couples to strengthen bonds and explore new dimensions of connection. In its various forms, roleplay opens the door to creativity, communication, and playfulness, offering an escape from everyday routines and nurturing emotional intimacy.